ordered. This has the aroma tray, which will make your home smell beautiful. But $59.96 with a 5 easy pay of $11.99. V35849 is your item number. 10 years Air Innovations have been here at QVC. We've sold over 1.8 million humidifiers here. This one is new. We're going to talk about how it's a beautiful, sleek design. The fact that it is a top load. This is, to me, the most important thing. Every time I fill our humidifier up, you have to take it out of the base itself, tip it over, add the water underneath your bathtub or your big, utility sink, take it back over and plop it back on top of the base. This one, you don't have to do. It fills right from the top. Has a swivel so you can put the air wherever you want to go. I love this little sleek footprint. You can see this is a 1.3 gallon tank. You can see how much water you have. You're also going to have the touch controls at the bottom that we'll talk about, auto off. The fact that this is an ultrasonic humidifier is also awesome as well. Now, we had 4 colors and now there are 2. We still have our brand new aqua color, and we also have the black, which is always the most popular. Now, one more thing that I want to share with you. If you want to get the aroma pads, you have to pick up those separately because there is an aroma tray in here. That's how you're going to get those essentials out, oils out, and this is the item number that I'll tell you that you want to grab that with. You will be getting an 18-piece essential oil aroma pad. V35791 is your item number there, and a 6 easy pay of $3.33. But your QVC2 big deal item number is V35849. Mr. Kelly Walker is here to tell us all about it. Of course, he's one of our great product specialists here at Q.
Well, I think it's great to be here as well. And right now, I mean, we need these most.
We do, right, especially we just had this major snowstorm here where people are just honestly gridlocked all over the city. And the fireplaces are now being, whether it's a gas fireplace, a real log fire, whether you've got a forced air heat, all of that goes to drying out the air.
That's right.
And it's feeling like, oh my gosh, everything is too dry, crackling my lips, all that. And that's where you have to put that moisture back in the air, right?
You really do. I mean, a lot of you're feeling it right now. Some of you aren't sleeping very well because of the dry eyes and the dry nasal passages, the post-nasal drip, or the sore, scratchy thing in your throat that won't go away. How about just the tossing and turning all night long that you just can't get rid of? And a lot of you go through that every single winter, thinking you're sick all winter long. The reality is, you're probably not sick all winter long because all of those things are symptoms of dry air in your home, and you need a great humidifier. And the problem that we recognize is when we go out to those stores out there, the regular ones right by our house, we find humidifiers that are big and bulky, they're loud, they look like medical devices, and the worst, they built up all of that slimy stuff inside. That turned a lot of people off and got a lot of people to stop using humidifiers. Well, we noticed that too, and we changed all of that, and that's when Air Innovations became the best of the best. And this is our most compact, but still top fill humidifier that we have ever offered.
I love it. It's a great one. Let's go through all of the features on this, because someone may very well want to get this as a gift for someone else, or maybe put several in their home. And the great part is right now we have our holiday return policy in effect until the end of January. And you get to pay for it over the next 5 months. But take us through all the great features on this.
All right. Well, there are 3 main features that make this so much better than anything else. Number 1 is our clean mist technology. That means this is not just cool to the touch and safe and silent, but because the tank and base is infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor and all of the water has to go through this permanent ceramic filter, that means you can feel confident in putting this moisture into your air for your family to breathe in. Number 2 is our runtime. Now, we always have long run times on this one, 70 hours of runtime on low. If you think about that, that's 9 nights of sleep before you have to refill this tank. But that 9 nights becomes indefinite. It becomes as many hours as you want, because if you notice, I don't even have to turn it off when I'm refilling it from the top. Just walk by with a cup of water or a pitcher every once in a while, and that runtime becomes indefinite because you never shut it off.
I love this.
And
I think it's
finally, you mentioned it, number 3, our aroma tray. We've added it to this one as well. So you can add those aroma pads right here. We're experiencing eucalyptus out here, and I highly recommend that if you're having any of those, seasonal issues and things that we have this time of year. But you know what? There's all kinds of different aromas online for you for everybody, from the eucalyptus to the lavender. We have a fresh scent pack, something for everybody.
Great. And where would I want to put a humidifier? Why do I need one?
You need one all over your house, really. You want one in your bedroom for sure. you definitely want them in the kids' rooms. Don't forget them. And if you have multiple kids, don't pick your favorite child. And you want them in the main living spaces, because when you put them around your house, you kind of create that oasis away from that harsh, dry air outside. And that's where, so you can actually, you're breathing better, you're sleeping better, you're looking better, and you're doing it in a very clean way, because all of that water has to go through that permanent ceramic filter, and everything, the tank and base are infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor to prevent the growth of bacteria in the tank. So that moisture you're seeing right there, you can feel confident in your family breathing in. It's silent. So this one's going to help you sleep better at night as well. The kids right now, they're bringing home those coughs and colds. You need to add this to their room, especially infants and babies. They always need that extra level of moisture. Don't forget your pets though. Our pets, our plants, our musical instruments, leather chairs, our cabinetry, all of these things benefit from the right level of humidity in your home. And because this is a top fill, that is the best, that is the absolute best. Top fill means you don't even have to ever turn it off. You just fill it from the top and you never carry a heavy tank to and from the sink. Put them all over your house, and your whole house becomes that oasis away from that harsh, dry air outside.
What type of room is this going to fill? Like what size?
Well, this will work on just about any size at all, and that's because of our different settings down here. Now, this is a very compact unit, but it is super powerful. So we've made this one extraordinarily easy. It has this little Sensi-Touch right here. It's not even really a button. You just touch it right there on that spot, and you have low. Now, that's for your average size rooms right there. I use that a lot, and that's where you're going to get that full 70 hours runtime. Then you have medium, high, and supreme. Now, supreme is what you would put, say you have a great room and a roaring fireplace going, put this right by the fireplace and hydrate that air before it even has a chance to dry out. It will handle any size room.
And it's just a fact of life during when it gets cold. And I love humidity. Humidity is so, for me personally, I love it because it's so good for your skin personally. But when the cold weather comes and all of that, the moisture is out of the air, you do feel it and you feel different, and that's why you do need a humidifier. But it's a practical gift as well. So with the colors that we have left is this brand new aqua, and then we have the black, which is very popular. This is the final presentation of today's QVC 2 Big Deal. It's under $60 with an easy pay of $11.99. And if you're watching us right now, I want to let you know how that easy pay works, because you might have never shopped for this. So let's do this. We're going to take the entire purchase price if you have a major credit card, and we're going to cut it up over the next 5 months. We are not going to keep this. So you'll get this in 7 to 10 business days. Normally, we have a 30-day money-back guarantee, but right now we're have it until the end of January, because we know you will probably give this as a Christmas gift, as a practical holiday gift. And that's how it works. And if you need to return it for any reason, obviously you can with that return policy at the end of the year or at the end of January. So your item number is V35849. Get this now. Even if you haven't got that cold snap yet, it's coming. Get it. Make sure you're getting that moisture into the air for sure. You get to top load it, which to me is really, I love that feature. A couple other things I want to ask about. The aroma tray.
Yes.
Do we get any aroma pads with it, or do we need to?
No,
we need to get that separately.
If you want to use the aroma tray, you go online and you can purchase the aroma pads. They're right here. Each one comes in a pack of 18. They're a sense for everybody. The eucalyptus is what we're using out here, and it is amazing if you're having those coughs and colds and things.
And then
but if you don't want to use an aroma tray pad either, you don't have to. It will run without them as well.
Question, because somebody was asking us earlier today, if I had, I don't know, you wouldn't probably have a pad like that, but if you did have some pad like that, could you use somebody's essential oils?
Well, we recommend ours in our humidifiers just because we know that they're going to be safe within this unit itself as well.
That's good to know.
So it's super important to do that. You never know what's in some of the other ones. We know it's in ours. We know it's safe for our humidifiers.
Another question is, let's say I've got this on and I totally forgot, I ran out, and this is going on. Is it going to, what happens?
No problem at all. In fact, what this will do is if it runs out of water, it will just shut itself off. Or if a kid or a pet knocks it over, it will shut itself off. So it's perfectly safe to put in the kids' rooms as well.
Okay.
So it is safe in all those different ways, because you want to get this moisture into your air where it's going to do you the most good. And we've talked a lot about the benefits of it ourselves.
Yeah.
But I want to read something, Frank, because we've done a lot of research, and this actually came from the Medline website. It's run by the National Institutes of Health. These are the experts, the people doctors go to when they have questions. Here's what they say. Humidified air can increase the humidity in your home to help eliminate the dry air that can otherwise irritate and inflame the passages of your nose and your throat. That's all of you that toss and turn all night. You get that stuffy nose, but no matter how hard you blow it, it doesn't matter, nothing comes out. Well, that's because that nasal passages, they get swollen, and that's dry air. Number 2, humidified air can help relieve some discomforts of colds and flu. That's why all the doctors recommend them when we're feeling ill. And number 3, this is a big one here on QVC. It's a clinically proven beauty secret. Using a humidifier to increase the humidity in your home can also increase the moisture in your skin, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So we're adding that moisture to the air. We're not just feeling better on the inside, we're actually rehydrating our skin as well, making it look more vibrant, more youthful, more glowing. So you're feeling great on the inside and you're looking more beautiful on the outside.
Is this on high, this one?
Yes.
Is this one on the highest one?
This is on high right
let's
here.
be quiet for a second. No, because someone asked how loud is it?
Oh, you can't.
You can't even hear it.
Yeah, they're
it's on.
practically silent.
I mean, we've got two right next to each other. I can't hear it at all, and that's no joke.
I
And
hear
they're
the
on the top
vent
one,
or something that's way up here
the vent is
someplace.
on the top, but it's not. It's not the
Hear this.
humidifier. And the other question I have is the ceramic filter that this comes in.
Yes.
Do I need to replace that? And by the
Never.
way, why do I need the ceramic? What is the benefit of that?
This is a ceramic filter. It helps to filter out all the impurities in the water as well. It works actually in conjunction with the fact that the tank and the base are infused with an antimicrobial inhibitor. Then that all prevents the growth of bacteria within the tank itself. So this moisture you're seeing here is going to be something you're going to feel confident in for your family and your friends when they come over.
Okay.
And also, especially if you give it as a gift to your loved ones.
Okay, we've talked about how slim, sleek, compact this one is. Let me give you dimensions. 13 inches high, 9.5 inches wide, it's 8 inches long, and it's 14 pounds when it's filled. 14 pounds when it's filled?
Yes, it's not heavy at all. So you can
What?
carry this from room to room if you
And the
want.
cord is 5 feet. So this is that brand new aqua color. This is the black. This is a QVC too big deal. Now your comparable retail value is $87.66. I just thought of something. If you're coming by and you're like, what's a QVC too big deal? I probably should tell you for those of you who are new. So what we do is every day at 9 o'clock Eastern time, we do one special product that we will give a really good special deal to, and we present it all day long, and then either while supplies last or we change the price. But so today's QVC too big deal is from Air Innovations. It's this amazing humidifier that is top fill. There you go. Jerome, you were going to say something. How can I help you? Okay. Good question. So Jerome has this question. He said, if I get this out of the box, what do I do at that point? What's the setup?
So easy, it could not actually be any easier. It comes out of the box, ready to go right like this. All you do is you fill it up. And the first time, if you want, you can fill it at the sink, or you can just take your pitcher of water and fill it up. You plug it in and you turn it on. It's that simple. This is the easiest humidifier to use right here. And even down here, now I'm going to say with the settings on this, it's so simple for those small rooms. Just put it on that first setting right there. That's where you get 70 hours of sleep. And that's beautiful, beautifying, restful sleep. That's 9 nights of sleep before you have to refill that tank. And then when you do refill it, like I said, it's a top fill. So it's pretty much indefinite runtime. It'll run forever because you never turn it off. But then that second setting for those middle rooms, maybe a slightly larger room. I never really go above the 2 with this one myself. But that 4 right there, that's for if you have a really large, great room with a fireplace roaring. It'll handle all those rooms because look at the amount of moisture that these put out. And this is Air Innovations moisture too, the Cool Mist, which means this has been broken down to the smallest level, so this stays in the air where it belongs. You won't see water on the table like we're right here.
No.
Table is totally dry. What happens, I actually do this a lot during the cell just so I can show you. This is not soaking my hand right here. What it's doing is the atomizer in this vibrates 1.7 million times per second. That's important because that's how it smashes that water down to its finest particle, where it stays in the air, where it can actually do you the most good. That's why it's so efficient and so much more efficient than those others out there on the market.
I had my hand, that's not joking, had it like right over that. And yes, there's just a little bit of moisture, but for the most part, it is like almost dry, but what's happening, what I feel is that now my hands are not crackety, right?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's that they're not like just tight. They actually are starting to like plump again, and that's kind of what water does, right? It plumps our skin up, but it also hydrates us. It makes us feel better. But everybody should have a humidifier in their rooms, and this at a price of under $60. And with an easy pay, makes it affordable to get it into every room. I mean, there are many places that you can put this.
There are so many places to put this, and I recommend putting them all over your house. Now, you want one in your bedroom for sure. When you're sleeping, you definitely want a humidifier on. When your kid's room, you want it in there. If you have a guest bedroom, your guests will love you for this because they will wake up feeling better than they ever did in their own home. They will love you for this. But then you want one in your main living space as well. You can carry that from one room to another if you have a couple of spaces to use. But you create an oasis in your home, away from the harsh, dry air outside, where, you know, as we say, it's kind of our motto actually at Air Innovations. You're gonna breathe better, sleep better, look better.